Okay, today we're going to do You Are My Sunshine. It begins on a C chord, which is on the A string, slide it up to the 3rd fret. So you should be able to hear that nice clear C. Then for C7th, you're going to use your index finger on the 1st fret of that same string, the A string. Then you're going to do an F chord. And an F chord, you're going to press on the E string on the 1st fret. So you're just going to jump up from the A string to the E string with your index finger. Then with your tallest finger, you're going to skip a string, don't bother with the C string, and move on to the G string on the 2nd fret. And then you're going to go from F to C. Now, from F to C, there's nothing in common, but you remember your ring finger goes on the 3rd fret for C. Now we're jumping back to F, so you got your 2 peace sign fingers ready to go. One on the E string to make an F, skip a string, tallest finger on the G. Back to C. Then you're doing C. Then you're going to slide this down to make a G7th. So from C to G7th, you slide that finger down on the A string to the 2nd fret, skip a string, and put your tallest finger on the C string. So you see you've got your A string fretted. You're doing nothing yet to your E string, and then on your C string you have, so they're lined up right there. They're both in the 2nd fret. Then your index finger is going to go on the 1st fret on the E string. So it makes like a triangle. And then to get back to C from there, you just take these fingers off and slide this one back up. So the chords for You Are My Sunshine are C, then we're doing C7th, jumping up, skipping a string, F, then to C, back to F, back to C. Then we're going from C, slide it down, skip a string, G7, and then back up to C.